It's Debsbeeing, and I'm Deb. Today we're going to talk about my wedding. So I got married in the middle of May, and if this sounds a bit surprising, it's because it happened very suddenly. My husband proposed to me in December, and the plan was to get married next summer when we could have enough time to properly plan a wedding. In the middle of April, we were talking about our wedding plans and how much they stressed us out. To get married the traditional way, you need a huge party, which is pretty hard to plan, and neither of us were quite looking forward to planning it. So we decided to do something smaller. We knew that his mom was coming in the middle of May, so we decided to get married in the middle of May. We invited all our immediate family, so my siblings and my parents and his siblings and his parents, to come and spend the day with us, and that's how we celebrated. So we wanted this day to be a chill day and to not be stressful, so we decided to have 2 meals at restaurants. We were going to have brunch after the ceremony and dinner in the evening. And then, so that the two sides of our family could mingle and get to know each other, we also rented an escape room. We pulled names from a hat, and it just so happened that all the women were on one team and all the men were on another. So it was a really good team building experience. That was my second time doing an escape room, and I really enjoyed it. And then we went for dinner, and then after dinner, Mark and I got our rings tattooed onto our hands. And we opted for tattoos instead of traditional rings because I work in food service most times, or in jobs where I cannot wear a ring, and he just doesn't like wearing rings. So we decided to get tattoos instead, and that way we never lose them. And I wanted to share my wedding experience so that other people could see that you don't need to have a complicated, huge wedding in order to get married. The reason you're getting married is because you want to be connected to this person for the rest of your life. And so the only people who matter in this situation are you and your spouse. That's the way my husband and I looked at it, and we really enjoyed our small ceremony and our day where we actually got to spend time with our families and get our families to get to know each other and just have a great time. So for the wedding, I wore a wedding dress that I made myself out of a recycled bed sheet which somebody gifted to me. We had this leftover fabric from my mom's wedding dress because her mom made her wedding dress, I'm pretty sure. So we had this lace left over, and my little sister made it into a veil with a daisy crown, and it was really nice. And then my sisters did my hair. So now I will insert some clips of my dress and tell you about that. And then to end this sweet short video, I will include footage from the actual wedding. The sound isn't the greatest because I haven't figured out how to use my sound scrubbing thing yet that I just got. And well, I hope you enjoy. And I hope that this has inspired you to have a simpler wedding. Maybe not as simple as mine, but simpler than you think is expected of you. I based the bodice on Elizabeth's from the banquet scene in the 2005 version of Pride and Prejudice. Just a simple wrap dress with cap sleeves and a half circle skirt that dips up in the front with a 10-inch ruffle.
I invite you now, Mark and Deb, to join hands and to answer this question. Just one question. Do you, Deb, take Mark to be your husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish till death parts you?
I do.
Good answer.
Good. We're doing good so far. Do you, Mark, take Deb to be your wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish till death parts you?
I do.
I invite you to seal the deal with a kiss.
Power invested in me by the province of Alberta, I pronounce you husband and wife.
Thank you.
Now I'd like to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Mark Olson.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!